Hi everyone, this is going to be your last Monday morning video, which is really Monday afternoon now, but happy Monday afternoon. I just want to give a little review of what's happening for the next couple of weeks of the semester. So you have your final paper due on the 15th. Some of you have submitted your final process and outcome evaluation, and some of you might submit that today. As I had said, this is just a rough draft of what you want to submit in your final paper, just so people have a chance to revise if they want to. If you're feeling super comfortable with your process and outcome evaluation, then you are very welcome to just leave it as is and send it on over by the 15th. Now, in order to get everybody graduated on time, which I know a lot of you are doing at the end of this semester, I need to get my grades in by the following day, by the 16th. So I really need the papers in by the morning of the 15th at the latest. So you're going to see that final paper due date, as you can see here, if it's going to come up. So final paper due date is at 11 a.m. on the 15th, and the earlier you can get it in, the better. I'm very happy to give you feedback and give you a chance to, fix anything, correct anything. However, I don't think this is really going to be very much work for everyone because you've done such a good job revising along the way. So you are going to be adding your study design, your process evaluation, and your outcome evaluation to your final paper from last semester. So just add in all of those different components that you added in this semester into your last semester's paper, and then alter last semester's paper in any way that you might need to. And if there's repetition, it's okay. I just really want to see the progress that happened throughout the last 2 semesters and see that, everybody has altered things so things are really in line. So for some people, you might need to alter the statement of the problem a little bit. For some people, you might need to alter, some of the summary at the end of the final paper, or maybe shift the logic model a little bit. But as I said, all of you have been doing, A and B work in this class all the way throughout, so there are going to be no surprises in terms of this final paper. You've really done all of the work along the way. So if anyone wants me to take a look at their final paper, before passing it in, just make sure to get it to me in the next week or so, and I'm happy to look things over and give you some feedback. I'm not going to give any super specific guidelines on formatting and things like that, as all of you have really, taken your own approach to how you've put this paper together. So if you can use the final draft for something else, I know some of you might be applying for grants and things like that, then you're welcome to use this as an opportunity to start formatting things in that way as well. But just feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or comments, and just get this final draft to me by the 15th at 11 a.m. I really look forward to seeing everyone's stuff, and I've had such a fun time getting to know all of you over the past 2 semesters. I think we've really come a long way from that first week trying to design our statement of the problem to actually implementing some really amazing policy shifts and program designs. And so I wish you all the best of luck, and you can always feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions as you continue on with these projects, since I know them all so well now. So I hope you all have a great couple of weeks finishing up with this work. You've all really impressed me this semester, and just in terms of due dates, no later than 11 a.m. on the 15th, just so I can make sure that you all are able to get credit to walk for graduation this year. Okay, thank you so much, and I look forward to reading all of your final papers. Take care.